Hello and good morning, students of Class 8. Welcome to the second online class of Judiciary, Chapter 5 of Civics. Dear students, in this online class, I will tell you about the Supreme Court. As I had told in the previous class, judicial system in our country is a single integrated unit. हमारे देश में जो न्याय व्यवस्था है वह केंद्र और राज्य में अलग अलग नहीं है, बल्कि एकीकृत न्याय व्यवस्था है, जिसमें सबसे ऊपर में सुप्रीम कोर्ट है. सो सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज द हाईएस्ट कोर्ट ऑफ जुडिकेचर इन द कंट्री. Now the composition of Supreme Court. The Supreme Court of India comprises the Chief Justice and not more than 30 other judges. These judges are appointed by the President. First, the President appoints the Chief Justice in consultation with those judges of the Supreme Court and the High Courts whom he deems necessary. सबसे पहले सुप्रीम कोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस की नियुक्ति राष्ट्रपति करता है. इसके लिए वह सुप्रीम कोर्ट के कुछ न्यायाधीशों से या फिर हाई कोर्ट के कुछ न्यायाधीशों से जिनको वह उचित समझता है उनसे वह सलाह लेता है. अदर जजेस of Supreme Court are appointed by the President in consultation with the Chief Justice of India. Eligibility. To be appointed as a judge of the Supreme Court, a person should have the following qualifications. Firstly, he should be a citizen of India. Secondly, he should have experience of at least 5 years as a judge of a high court or at least 10 years as an advocate of a high court or be a distinguished jurist in the President's opinion. Now regarding the term of the Supreme Court judges. The Supreme Court judges serve till the age of 65. But the Supreme Court judges can also be removed by the President on grounds of misuse of office, proven misbehavior or incapacity before the age of 65. सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजों को अपनी 65 वर्ष की उम्र पूरा करने से पहले भी राष्ट्रपति हटा सकता है. उसके लिए आधार ये हो सकता है कि अगर उन्होंने अपने कार्यकाल में अपने पद का दुरुपयोग किया हो या किसी तरह के अपने बर्ताव से संविधान को क्षति पहुंचाई हो या फिर वह अपने कार्यों को पूरा करने में अक्षम हो. The process of removing the Supreme Court judges is called impeachment. महाभियोग यानी सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजों को हटाने का जो प्रोसेस है उसको इम्पीचमेंट या महाभियोग कहा जाता है. This process involves a motion which contains the charges against the judge. This motion must be passed by a 2/3 majority of the members present and voting in both the houses of parliament, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Now regarding jurisdiction. The Supreme Court of India has 4 types of jurisdiction. 4 तरह के इसके क्षेत्राधिकार हैं. First, original jurisdiction. Second, appellate jurisdiction, third, advisory jurisdiction, and fourthly, the power of judicial review. First, original jurisdiction. All the disputes that arise between the central government and any state government are decided by the Supreme Court of India. Moreover, if the fundamental rights of any citizen is violated, the Supreme Court may take up the case. As such, justice is easily available from the Supreme Court to any person whose fundamental rights is violated. The Supreme Court is the guardian of the fundamental rights and also of the Constitution. So it provides the fundamental rights to all the citizens. Any citizen can approach the Supreme Court directly if his or her fundamental rights is affected. Secondly, appellate jurisdiction. The Supreme Court entertains appeals against all the state high courts. Thus, the Supreme Court is the final court that decides appeals. Thirdly, advisory jurisdiction. The Supreme Court gives its own advisory opinion if the President of India refers some articles of the Constitution to it for this purpose. But the advice given by the Supreme Court is not binding on the President. Fourth, the power of judicial review. Judicial review is the power of the Supreme Court to examine the validity of the laws passed by the Union and the states. On this ground, the Supreme Court examines the validity of any law passed by the Union or state legislatures and sees if it is compatible with the provisions of the Constitution. If the laws passed by the Union or state legislatures is not in accordance with the Constitution, then the Supreme Court strikes down these laws and the laws become null and void. This is called the power of judicial review. हिंदी में इसको कहते हैं कि न्यायिक पुनर्विलोकन का अधिकार. Students, in this way, we have seen that the Supreme Court of India has wide powers and no other court is above the Supreme Court in India. The verdict given by the Supreme Court is final. No one can challenge it. Dear students, your school is opening on 7th February 2022 and your examination is also at hand. So, you must be careful regarding your studies. Thank you.